In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the S&P 500 on TradingView. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, the process is quick and consistent, and by the end, you'll be looking at the benchmark US stock market index in just a few clicks. Start by opening TradingView. When the platform loads, you'll see a chart with whatever symbol TradingView opened by default. At the very top left of the chart, there's a symbol field that shows the current ticker. That field also works as a universal search box for anything you want to pull up next. Click that symbol or search box to open the search panel. This is where you can look up indexes, stocks, ETFs, futures, crypto, pretty much anything TradingView tracks. The panel will show multiple matches and categories, so the key is to type a clear query and then choose the correct listing from the results. In the search field, type S&P 500 or simply SPX. Both will point you to the same underlying index. Typing S&P 500 is helpful if you prefer plain language results, while SPX is the common ticker shorthand for the index itself. As you type, you'll notice related instruments like SPY or US 500. SPY is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, and US 500 is often a CFD symbol from certain brokers. If your goal is the official index for analysis, you want the one labeled as an index, not an ETF, CFD, or futures contract. From the list that appears, select the S&P 500 index. It's typically labeled S&P 500 or SPX, and marked clearly as an index in the results. Once you click it, your chart will instantly switch to the S&P 500. You can confirm you're on the right symbol by checking the top left label on the chart. It should display the index name or its SPX ticker. Many chart layouts also show a faint watermark with the symbol in the background, which is another quick visual confirmation. A quick note on context. The S&P 500 index itself isn't a tradable instrument. It's a benchmark for market performance. It's perfect for analysis, comparisons, and gauging overall market direction. If you ever need a tradable proxy, that's where ETFs or futures come in. But for pure charting and study, the index is the cleanest starting point. That's it. Open TradingView, click the symbol field, type S&P 500 or SPX, and select the S&P 500 index from the results. You'll be ready to analyze market trends with the industry's most watched benchmark.